Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a very important question. Why should we learn English? I will speak slowly. I will use simple words, and I will explain everything step by step. So, let's begin. 1. English helps us communicate with people around the world. English is used in many countries. Even if people have different cultures, different languages, or different lifestyles, English helps them talk to each other. For example, if you travel to another country and you don't know their language, you can still use English. If you meet someone online from another part of the world, you can talk to them in English. If you want to join an international group, a class, or a community, English is the language most people understand. So, English is like a bridge. It connects people. It helps us understand each other. It brings the world closer. 2. English gives us access to more information and knowledge. On the internet, many websites are in English. Many articles, books, podcasts, and videos are first made in English. When scientists discover something new, they often write about it in English. When teachers create new courses, they usually publish them in English. This means if you know English, you can learn more things. You can read more. You can watch more. You can explore more. You don't have to wait for translations. You don't have to wait for subtitles. You can understand the world directly, and this gives you a big advantage. 3. English creates better job opportunities. Today, many jobs require English. Even simple jobs sometimes ask for basic English skills. Companies want workers who can communicate with people in other countries. If you know English, you can get a better job, earn more money, work with international clients, join global companies, and even work remotely, online, for companies in other countries. If you don't know English, some opportunities will not be available to you. But if you do know English, many new doors will open. It can change your future. 4. Learning English helps us learn new skills faster. Think about the skills you want to learn: programming, design, marketing, business, photography, fitness, anything. The best teachers often speak English. The most detailed tutorials are usually in English. The newest information is almost always published in English first. So when you understand English, you learn faster. You understand ideas more clearly. You grow more quickly. English makes learning easier and quicker. 5. English makes entertainment more enjoyable. Movies, TV shows, songs, and games, a lot of them are in English. If you understand English, you don't need subtitles. You don't miss jokes. You don't miss details. You don't miss the real meaning of the words. You can enjoy your favorite stories in their original form. You can understand song lyrics. You can learn slang, expressions, and natural speaking styles. Entertainment becomes richer and more fun. 6. Learning English is good for your brain. When you learn a new language, your brain works harder and becomes stronger. Learning English improves your memory, your focus, your communication skills, your problem-solving abilities, your creativity. It keeps your mind active and healthy. It's not only useful for life, it's good for your brain too. 7. English helps you feel confident. When you know English, you feel braver. You feel more comfortable talking to new people. You feel more free when you travel. You feel proud because you learned a global skill. Learning English increases your confidence step by step. Every new word is progress. Every short conversation is success. Every moment you understand something new makes you feel stronger. Confidence grows with practice. 8. English helps you understand different cultures. When you learn English, you also learn about countries where English is spoken. You learn about their traditions, ideas, and ways of thinking. You understand their movies better. You understand their humor better. You understand their stories better. Learning English helps you see the world from a new perspective. It opens your mind. Conclusion. So why should we learn English? Because English connects us. Because it gives us knowledge. Because it improves our future. Because it helps us learn new skills. Because it makes movies and music more enjoyable. Because it makes our brain stronger. Because it increases our confidence. And because it helps us understand the world better. Learning English is a journey. Sometimes it is easy. Sometimes it is hard. But every step is worth it. Practice a little every day. Listen, read, speak, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. Progress comes slowly, but it comes. And one day, you will speak with confidence. Thank you for listening.